Say hello to our girls. This is our two nice girls. Hey, Red. Hey, Runner. Sometimes Runner is not so nice, but Red is always super nice. Not so happy when I touch them, but they get all sorts of water, and so here they're separated from. Oh gosh, look who's sitting. Hello. Hello, cutie one. Hi, cutie boy.
You want to switch?
Oh, by the way, keep the gate closed no matter what chickens say. And here's their main chicken coop. Hey, girls. Hey, cutie boy. Oh, by the way, we can close that door. This is our baby. No, she's not so baby. Hey, Charlotte. Ah, you came over. And here's our squeaky toy. She is so tiny. She is a really, really tiny little girl. But so sweet. You can just carry her. She'll let you carry her anywhere you want. And here's where the big girls lay their eggs if they want. And if someone wants to lay an egg here, they can also do that. Here's our Charlotte. She is not particularly a cuddly girl, but she was with us since little baby.